from Bangalore, India. Deepa Academy is a non-profit charity registered high school residential, especially for the empowerment of the girl child. This was started in 2006 since I was traveling to US right from 2003, and some of my friends asked me for a specific theme or a cause which could really help the society and count for the disabled. I told them to work on this theme, and we are so proud that since we started with a very humble beginning of a few children, now we have a full-fledged high school residential where we are catering to almost 300 visually impaired girls. And not only that, since I have always seen that our Telugu fraternity in particular has been so supportive of our programs through my visits to the USA, I started a very special initiative of sponsor a child, and I have reached out to various rural villages of Telugu origin, both in Andhra, Telangana, forget the politics, but we were helping the Telugu community a big way and making sure that we could help many of those kids. And in particular in this visit, I brought with me a few children, all of them from the Telugu origin, and they also are very keenly interested in this participation of dance and music. All this dedicated for our theme, empowerment of the underprivileged and disabled girl child through our organization Deepa Academy. We arrived, as you know, yesterday at JFK, and we are put up at Connecticut, and we drove in to Boston. This is the first program we are doing, and it is such a pleasure for me because we are dedicating this first program at the Lotus Feet of Shirdi Sai Baba, and I am sure my beloved Sai devotees will definitely keep us up and help us in this wonderful, noble, genuine, worthy cause. So without further time, we will just go in and introduce our team for you. We have three wonderful girls. They are all 100% visually challenged. We have Vasanta, Nagarani and Swati. And Vasanta and Nagarani are wonderful dancers. Nagarani can also sing a bit. And we have Swati, who will be singing quite a few bhajans and devotional songs. And along with them, we have two wonderful gentlemen, Kaushik and Chetan. Kaushik will be on the Banaras tabla, and Chetan will be on the keyboard. So they will be accompanying these girls in the wonderful dance. All five of them, including myself, 6 of us are visually challenged. And we are also pleased to introduce our supporters and caretakers. We have lady caretaker and teacher and supporting us for a long time now, Lata Madam. And my brother who is with me, Karthik, he is escorting me and supporting me for all the laptop activities. But here I would like to mention one gentleman whom I am also very excited to mention is my uncle. He is Mr. T.V. Narayanaswamy. He is 75 years of age now. And despite his age, we were thinking, I asked him, can you make the trip with me, sir? And he helped me with the visa because last 20 years he has been doing this dedicated service. I thought I'll present him with a trip to the US. And my aunt and the others in the family said, don't take him for more than a month. And when I asked him, he said, hey Swami, I'm going to be with you all throughout the trip because this is such an exciting opportunity to showcase to the people, and you are doing such a service, and I am blessed to be with you, and I am really so happy to introduce him. Thank you very much. His name is Mr. T.V. Narayanaswamy. He has worked for over 40 years in the Ministry of Commerce in Delhi and has been supporting our organization. And he is a big philanthropist and supporting these wonderful causes all through, and his presence is greatly blessed for me. And I am so happy that we have all our devotees here. Your blessings, your patronage, your support is immensely invaluable and will go a long way to support these kids and their future aspirations. Let's bring smiles to just one more person with a disability. Thank you very, very much. And now we will have the invocation. The invocation is a very simple one. I request Chetan, Kaushik and Swati to come over with me. Are you ready? Okay, fine. Where is Swati? Yes. Swati is Okay, we will just sing together. This one mic is good enough. One more? If someone can have one more. We quickly finish it. As usual in our Sanatana Dharma and Hindu tradition, we start off any program with an invocation at the lotus feet of Lord Ganesha, and that's the same which we are going to do. So let's just sing a few lines in praise of Lord Ganesha. Om Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnam Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vigno Prashantaye. Om Gajananam Bhuta Ganati Sevitam Kapita Jambu Falasara Bhakshitam Umasutam Soka Vinasha Karanam Namami Vigneshwara Pada Pankajam. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. And now, Sai Ram, we will start this wonderful performance by these kids. We will start the first dance item for this evening. That's going to be Ekadantaya Vakratundaya, dedicated at the lotus feet of Shirdi Sai Baba here at this wonderful temple. Once again, welcome all of you Sai devotees and for this wonderful cause with your blessings. Thank you very much. The start of the program, Ekadantaya, and the dance will be presented by Vasanta.
May I request everybody who is standing, please come. There is place in up front, come and sit down, or there are seats, so you can enjoy the performance. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
Okay, start.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुदैवजगाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीत
presented by Vasanta. Now, before the dance, I would have informed that they have to undergo what is called as a orientation and mobility of the available space or stage, because that's how they can face up themselves to the audience and make sure that they can present the mudras and the postures and the dance properly without falling off or going in different directions. So it's a very, very important aspect of the dance by the visually challenged, and that was handled by Lata Madam. And that's how these children learn the dance, through special methods of touch and feel, and with their motivation and inner inspiration that they should also be integrated with the normal life. They make sure that they can present their dance with lot of happiness and have the confidence to come on, not only to perform within our country, within various stages, but also on the international stage, and have the blessings of all of you. Thank you very much. Okay.
I'd like to just mention to everyone that we have placed a small hundi over here. So anybody who is interested, please feel free to come and donate here. Thank you. Jai Sai.
Thank you very much, dear sir, my dear brother Sairam. As for the donations, I wanted to come over it later, because that's something which has to come on one's own initiative. Basically, as far as donations is concerned, we accept cash, we accept checks and credit card. Generously, if you can donate cash, because extra few dollars will definitely help the cause. Number two, I'm sure you understand that we have taken a huge initiative by coming all the way, 9 of us, visas, tickets, staying at different places, traveling around the place, only with a single-minded aspiration that we could help these kids. 100% of what we raise goes for this, and I am doing it with great specific endeavor and dedicated volunteership, only for a simple reason that God has been kind to give me everything, but I wanted to see these children who suffer similarly like me, how I can help them. So that's how I've been dedicatedly doing it, and I've been getting the support from all of you. So please continue to donate generously. Checks can also be made, I hope, in the name of any SSB, and then they could consolidate it and give us. Some of you would like to donate by credit card. I think any SSB is the best for that, so that we can consolidate maximum we can for this great cause. And I'm sure my beloved Sai devotees will not let me down, because after all, it's a great endeavor, and we are only just dedicated volunteers trying to serve the cause. We now have a wonderful dance performance by Nagarani. She's going to try to perform the Kuchipudi dance. Nagarani, by the by, has been learning dance since childhood. She's 100% visually impaired. She just can't even perceive light. So she's practically doing it with great devotion. advance. I just want to give you a small idea. Please try to close your eyes and move on to your right or left side and try to shake hands with the person sitting next to you. It will be so difficult. Or even in your own house where you know everything, just try to close your eyes and move around. You wouldn't be able to take any few steps to the next destination. So it's absolutely sheer determination and devotion and lot of discipline these children are putting in, only because they are all dedicated volunteers for our wonderful theme, empowerment of the underprivileged and disabled children.
కరుణకు Hi, you all been an excellent audience so far. It's almost like perfect silence. We request you to keep up the same level.
రాధా రఘుపతి రక్షకుడని వినలేదా రామ రామయన రాధా రఘుపతి రక్షకుడని వినలేదా కామ జనకుని కథ విను వారికి కామ జనకుని కథ విను వారికి కైవల్యం కాదా రామ రామయన రాధా రఘుపతి రక్షకుడని వినలేదా ఆపద్బాంధవుడగు శ్రీరాముని ఆరాధింపగరాదా ఆపద్బాంధవుడగు శ్రీరాముని ఆరాధింపగరాదా కోరిన కోరికలెల్లడు సంగిడి కోరిన కోరికలెల్లడు సంగిడి కరుణామయుడే కాదా రామ రామయన రాధా రఘుపతి రక్షకుడని వినలేదా నారదాది మునులెల్ల భజించెడి నారాయణుడే కాదా నారదాది మునులెల్ల భజించెడి నారాయణుడే కాదా దోషములు పరిహారము నాచెడి దోషములు పరిహారము నాచెడి పరమాత్ముడే కాదా రామ రామయన రాధా రఘుపతి రక్షకుడని వినలేదా కామ జనకుని కథ విను వారికి కామ జనకుని కథ విను వారికి కైవల్యం కాదా రామ రామయన రాధా రఘుపతి రక్షకుడని వినలేదా
Okay, I will sing on the Sai version. आवो साई नारायण दर्शन देना, आवो साई नारायण दर्शन देना, तुम हो जगत दाता, तुम हो जगत दाता। आओ साई नारायण दर्शन देना, आओ साई नारायण दर्शन देना, तुम हो जगत विधाता, तुम हो जगत विधाता। तुम्ही हो ब्रह्मा, तुम्ही हो विष्णु, तुम्ही हो ब्रह्मा, तुम्ही हो विष्णु, तुम्ही हो बुद्ध महावीरा, बाबा तुम्ही हो बुद्ध महावीरा। आओ साई नारायण दर्शन देना, आओ साई नारायण दर्शन देना, तुम हो जगत विधाता, तुम हो जगत विधाता। तुम्ही हो अल्लाह, तुम्ही हो येशू, तुम्ही हो अल्लाह, तुम्ही हो येशू, तुम्ही हो बैबल कुरान, बाबा तुम्ही हो बैबल कुरान। आओ साई नारायण दर्शन देना, आओ साई नारायण दर्शन देना, तुम हो जगत विधाता, तुम हो जगत विधाता। तुम्ही हो ब्रह्मा, तुम्ही हो विष्णु, तुम्ही हो ब्रह्मा, तुम्ही हो विष्णु, तुम्ही हो बुद्ध महावीरा, बाबा तुम्ही हो बुद्ध महावीरा। आओ साई नारायण दर्शन जगद्विधाता, तुम हो जगद्विधाता। आवो साई नारायण, आवो साई नारायण, आवो साई नारायण, दर्शन देना, तुम हो जगद्विधाता, तुम हो जगद्विधाता। तुम्ही हो ब्रह्मा, तुम्ही हो विष्णू, तुम्ही हो ब्रह्मा, तुम्ही हो विष्णू, तुम्ही हो बुद्ध महावीरा, बाबा तुम्ही हो बुद्ध महावीरा। आवो साई नारायण, दर्शन देना, तुम हो जगद्विधाता, तुम हो जगद्विधाता। आवो साई नारायण, आवो साई नारायण, आवो साई नारायण, दर्शन देना, तुम हो जगद्विधाता, तुम हो जगद्विधाता।